my channel Shuma here, and today I'm gonna show you this beautiful eye makeup look. This blue eye makeup look. It's so easy to do. And if you like this video, then please give a like, subscribe my channel, hit that red button below. Hit the red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new videos. And it's absolutely free. So without wasting any time, let's get started to this video.
So first I'm applying L.A Girl Yellow Concealer all over my eyelid and then blending it with finger. To set this concealer, now I'm using loose powder. You can use loose powder, face powder, press powder, whatever you like. For eye makeup, first I'm using this white shimmery shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Brush and Contouring Palette Golden Sugar. With this white shimmery shade, I'm going to highlight my brow bone area and also inner corner of my eyelid. You can use any other highlighter to highlighting your brow bone area and inner corner. Also, you can use golden color or silver color as your choice. Now I'm applying that white shimmery shade inner corner of my eyes to highlighting my inner corner. See how I apply it. For next eyeshadow, I'm going to use this TZ35D palette. From this palette, I'm going to use this blue color eyeshadow. And I'm applying it on my eye crease area. I'm also going to apply this blue color outer corner of my eyelid. Take eyeshadow little by little. Don't take too much eyeshadow at a time. Next, from the same palette, TZ35D palette, I'm taking this blue color and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid with the same brush. For more pigment color, I'm applying this eyeshadow with the help of my finger. Now blending it with the same brush so there is no harsh line. Next, from the same palette, TZ35D palette, I'm taking this dark blue color shade and I'm applying it outer corner of my eyelid. I want my outer corner little bit darker than my inner corner, so I'm applying this dark color shade, blue color shade, outer corner of my eyelid. It will also give me a smoky look to my eyes. And after that, I'm changing my brush and using a floppy brush to blending it out so there is no harsh line. And once again, I'm applying that dark blue color shade inner corner of my eyelid. See, now my eyes looking perfect. And again with my finger I'm applying that blue color shade which I used before. Okay, now I'm applying this dark blue color shade outer corner of my eyes and inner corner of my eyes I'm applying this blue color. Now I'm using Flormar Kajal pencil in the shade blue. I want my lower lash line outer corner looks a little bit darker. You can see that. After applying it, I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm using the same brush and just smudging it. Also, I'm drawing a thin line with this pencil liner, and I'm also going to smudge it. Don't worry if you don't draw it straight. No need is any straight line. Just draw it a thin line and then smudge it. And now I'm smudging it with Real Technique Essence brush. Using white Kajal pencil from Jordana. Using Jordana Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This mascara is one of my favorite mascara. Now time for using false lashes, and I'm going to use today Huda Beauty false lashes. Product information name will be given in the description box below. Please check it out. And I'm using Lash Grip white eyelash glue. The glue is looking now white, but when it will get dry, this white will not visible. It will be okay. Using cosmetic lenses from Bella, Circle Blue. And that's it. My eye makeup is finished, and this is the final look. All the product what I used to create this beautiful blue eye makeup look will be listed on my description box below. My baby cat is crying for food. Sorry guys. Here he is. His name is Naughty. He's so naughty, that's why I named him Naughty. Bangla jake bola hoy dushto.
Subscribe our channel. Say hi, hi, hi. Hi? Huh? Oh. Say hi. Oh. Hi. Hi, my friend. Subscribe my mommy's channel. Subscribe.
I just love him. He's so cute, so cute. I have 3 cats and is the youngest one. We have come to the end of this video now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and my cat, please give a like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you all. Allah Hafiz.